Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family.
Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Sticky Tuesday, and this is hosted by Dyanne and Janny of Deco Easy and Kiki from Kiki DIYs. If you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in the description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. And after you have viewed my video, please do visit our next video in the playlist. So you can find a lot of beautiful DIYs, amazing ideas, and inspirational videos. Yep. So let's get started.
So these are the final result of the neutral Valentine's theme project, you guys, and these are from trash to treasure again. So this one is one of my old mirror, and it was broken, so I thought like I will use this for one of the Valentine's theme projects. So I just stuck it back together, and I stuck love sticker on it, and instead of O I stuck two of the greeneries, and I have greeneries on both sides, and also stuck one of the buffalo checker ribbon, white and black, on top of it. So yeah, this is going to be decorated for Valentine's theme. And this two cardboard pieces came in packaging, and it kind of looked like a ladder, and then I thought like I can give like a farmhouse ladder kind of look to it. So, and I also got this ornament during Christmas time from Walmart. They were 3 for $2, and then they had one of them was love, so I thought I'll use this for Valentine's theme project. And this is kind of a tobacco basket with love on it and a cute bow on top. And these two greeneries, I just stuck it from the Dollar Tree. And also this is one of the corrugated heart that I got from one of the cardboard. If you remove the top surface of the cardboard, there would be like the corrugated surface. I just made heart out of this, and I stuck it so to just give like, you know, neutral Valentine's theme project. So I'm very happy how this turned out. So let me know your thoughts on this. And this one is basically the container of one of the scented soap petals, and I made a project out of this, and I removed those rose petals and I made another project. So this carton is empty, so I thought I'll fill some eucalyptus greenery in there, and I stuck one of the sheer ribbon around it, and I had buffalo checker ribbon and one more sheer ribbon on the top, and then this is some of the green hearts. So I'm very happy how this turned out. Let me know your thoughts on this as well. And here on this side, this is one of the hair bow accessory box, and I just stuck those brown hearts from the cardboard, the corrugated surface, so just to cover the spots that were like kind of torn out. And then I just stuck all the brown hearts inside. On either side of the box, I just stuck this one of the styrofoam box, the black color, and then I just had a bow on the top with buffalo checkered and some burlap and some sheer ribbon. And this is a sticker that I got from Michael's. That was like after Christmas sale, that was like $1 sticker. So I just stuck XOXOs there, and on the bottom it said you, me are meant to be. And I also stuck burlap twine around the box just to give like a farmhouse look to it. So these are very simple and easy neutral Valentine's theme projects, and these are basically trash to treasure kind of a project as well. So you can make Valentine's projects even from trash. So that's what I wanted to show in this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and like and share. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.